Welcome back to the Learn Anything Lab. Today we're going to be making slime with glue, baking soda, contact solution, and if you want to get creative, a little bit of food coloring. Let's see how it works. Start with 1 cup of white school glue. Glue is made of a polymer called polyvinyl acetate, and this is the base of our slime. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps adjust the pH and give our slime just a little bit more structure. If you want colorful slime, add just a few drops of food coloring. 2 or 3 drops is more than enough. This doesn't change the science, but it makes your slime just a little bit more fun to play with. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to mix everything until it looks smooth. Now for the activator. Add 1 tablespoon of contact solution. Contact solution usually has boric acid or sodium borate, which reacts with the glue's polymers to cross-link them together. That's what transforms it into slime. Keep mixing until the slime pulls away from the bowl, then knead it with your hands. If it's still sticky, add just a few more drops of contact solution and keep mixing until the slime feels just right to you. And that's it. Slime you can stretch, squish, and explore. This simple experiment shows you how you can take everyday materials and turn them into something new. Thanks for experimenting with us at the Learn Anything Lab. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and let us know in the comments what you would like to see next. See you soon!